Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Ashley Caras. I'm 26 years old. I'm married. I graduate of caregiver.
Good day to you, Miss Ashley. How are you today?
Fine, sir, madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
The right attitude and good characteristic of a good domestic helper are honest, hardworking, and responsible.
So can you tell us how to take care of the children?
The best way of taking care of our children are giving them the right food on time, taking them a bath, and accompany them going to school.
So what if you commit mistake to your employer? What will you do?
I just say sorry, sir, madam, and I promise not to do it again.
So any message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I really need this job for my family and I promise to finish the 2-year contract to you.
Okay, thank you to Miss Ashley. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, madam.